Now let's talk about why someone would want to pursue an opportunity like this. Well, one of the main benefits is that there is no effort required on your part to come up with a new product or service. As an affiliate marketer, your role is to match the needs of your audience with existing products that address them. Instead of coming up with your own product, you need to put in the effort to make the buying decision for your audience easy by making detailed and engaging content about the existing product or products that you are recommending. We'll go into detail the types of content that works well later in the training material. You'd be surprised how often your audience would make purchasing decisions based on the advice of a trusted voice like you, but of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Trust is king in the world of affiliate marketing. Your audience places a lot of trust in you when they decide to purchase a product based on your recommendation, so there is absolutely zero room for being dishonest, opaque, or in any way sketchy or misleading. If you're a politician, this may not be the thing for you. Sorry. Now that we're clear on who this might be for, and who it isn't, let's talk about why Shopify will be our platform of choice when it comes to building our affiliate site later in the course. See you there.